Although augmented reality interfaces in the gaming industry still have room for improvement, developers have made significant strides in creating a system for cars and other equipment that projects valuable data onto the windshield. According to the creators, this system is highly customizable to meet the unique needs of each user. For instance, racing enthusiasts can benefit from seeing the optimal trajectory for navigating a turn, while regular drivers may appreciate a traffic light timing system. The versatility extends to water and air vehicles, and the technology can even be integrated into buildings. This means that, by simply looking out the window, users can promptly access information like the weather forecast. The project team is at the forefront of advancements in optics, holography, and chemistry, and they are actively involved in developing the necessary software for this innovative solution. Latvian specialists envision the future of computer keyboards, and the solution lies on your screen. The Futuristic Keyboard, depending on the model, features 24 to 29 programmable keys, a joystick, and a unique 5-position switch. Designed for flexibility, users can customize the keyboard to fit their palms using a provided screwdriver. Weighing 2.5 pounds, the USB-powered device has ample internal memory for multiple control profiles. Both right-handed and left-handed versions are available. Developers claim to have successfully combined the benefits of a classic keyboard and a gamepad into a single gadget. Gamers, do you think this gadget will be convenient to use? This American-made panel introduces a unique experience where users can visually perceive and interact with virtual objects. The underlying technology relies on ultrasonic waves, creating tactile sensations within a range of up to 3 feet above the device and across a 120-degree angle around it. Crafted from polycarbonate, the panel is lightweight at 5.7 pounds and pleasantly compact, comparable in size to a 13-inch laptop. With dedicated applications, users can establish a network of 7 devices, fostering interactions such as shaking hands or engaging in games with other individuals. This unique Chinese robot serves a dual purpose by aiding in the transportation of various goods and entertaining visitors at supermarkets, restaurants, and trade shows. With a carrying capacity of up to 88.2 pounds and a weight of 121 pounds, the robot boasts an impressive maximum runtime of 24 hours on a single charge. A standout feature is its advanced scanning system, allowing the robot to detect obstacles as low as 0.07 feet and scan its surroundings at a rate of 5,400 times per minute. This enables it to identify obstacles up to 32.8 feet away and navigate around them safely. Noteworthy are its endearing design and extensive interaction capabilities, including understanding voice commands and emitting squeals when petted. Currently, the developers are seeking funding of $200,000 on Kickstarter. Share your thoughts on supporting this project in the comments. Comment below to share your thoughts on the video and subscribe for future updates.